guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now, just left my house, about to go to Frisbee Park for a fitness boot camp. Come on guys, Team Sam, let's go! Come on guys, come on guys! Come on, yeah, show them, give us them, yeah, go, sauce, yeah. This year,
basically, I was supposed to be cameraman, and I thought he pressed record, so he gave me the phone, but he didn't. So I didn't record it. I'm really sorry.
Bye.
Bye. See ya.
I got more.
Bye.
Bye guys. See ya.
Oh, she hit me. Oh no. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Say bye everyone. Bye.
Bye everybody.
Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on.
Guys, this is my friend Angela. We're just out here. Oh, you're ruining it for me.
I'm making a video because this is gonna go on my YouTube channel. This is the spot. Guys, we're coming back to the sun. I'll be a sick YouTuber. Look at me. Look at me. Like,
What about you?
this is how YouTubers walk. And you're like,
Oh my guys,
who's
welcome to my YouTube
recording
channel.
them?
Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel.
what bus is that?
135.
Beg!
You gonna
Beg!
throw this thing at your face?
Beg!
Uh,
Oi.
I said beg. Beg me.
Beg! Dogs like this always look old. Yuck. Ew. No.
So like we're serious.
Chocolate gives me energy. Me too, girl. Me too. That was a bin, guys. That's what a bin in London looks like.
Are you real? That's all big like. That's ignorant. That's actually so bad. How can you say that?
Because American bins, they're big.
Actually, I watched a video here. It says don't climb it to the bin. And one stupid Donny climbs into the bin. And then his friends were there, yeah. And for some reason, when they opened the bin again, it was gone. Mum went down into the bin, like into another place.
Yeah, that's how
The bin's
American
going.
bins are. They're scary.
I was like, yeah, it's gone. What's up?
Desperate.
That's when you're done with that.
Desperate.
Oh, okay, ride the bike.
Yeah. Can I ride a big boy's bike? What's that supposed to mean?
Like
Why can't I ride a big girl's bike?
that. Ride the boy's bike.
Oh, yeah. If I fall, it's gonna be your fault.
Apple.
Guys, we're gonna go ride a bike. Fuck my life. Scary. Guys, look at the view. I don't know if you can see it.
That place is my favourite place. Canary Wharf, guys. About to go do a bike ride to Canary Wharf with my friend Angella. Let's go, guys. Guys, this is my friend. She flopped the set. She said that she's not gonna ride a bike, so we can't ride a bike. We're walking. Useless. What you eating?
Double decker.
What you eating?
Double decker.
Decker. Can you pre how peng this is? My choice. Oh, God. Guys, Zhao Peng this is.
Fucking mask on. Mask on. Fucking mask on. Percocet. Miley Percocet. Chase the chick.
All these watches. All these watches. And you still couldn't take time with me.
From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom. I'm a living proof.
Always. It's like a little, it's like basically the office. I'll start right now. It makes sense.
Okay, I know why we have to be quiet. Because it's like a business. Can we get out this door? Okay. This is mad scary.
Keep walking.
Okay, we're out. Oh shit, that's home over there. Can you see the O2? Yeah, can you see it? Okay. I'll be a sick YouTuber. Look at this.
Canary Wharf, baby.
Woo! This area is so sick. Sam, what's he doing?
We're two over there. Canary Wharf.
So right now, where are we?
Canary Wharf.
Canary Wharf. Huh?
Boys bags.
Boris Bike. This guy's obsessed with Boris Bikes. Boris Bike.
Wait, said no.
No.
Pay me like fool.
No. Is we crossing?
I don't know. I'll show you the bar.
Huh?
This place is actually so lovely. Like, look here.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today,
She doesn't have YouTube yet. She's doing a hair tutorial, guys. Like, what's that? With what? With what audience? She went from something to a pineapple. Show us Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. This is Bob Marley.
Hey, insult. Wow, that's an insult to my Caribbean friends.
It's like India. No, China. Yeah, where they made Karate Kid. This is where he grew up. In this exact building. This is where he trained. Mr. Wasabi was here too. Is that the guy, Mr. Wasabi? Mr. Wasabi was here too. And yeah. So this is where we're walking. It's a bit awkward how I'm holding my phone, but so yeah. This is the house that Jaden moved. Is his name Jaden? Jaden moved into. And he trained. This is where you use maps.
I know I am.
Oh.
What's up, WAHALA?
No B.
How many gigs is your phone?
I don't know. It's the storage is full.
How are you still able to make videos?
Huh?
So, how are you still able to make videos?
I don't know. Don't know.
I can't make videos now.
I'm gonna back up everything and then delete it again.
It says that they need a partner that appreciates their need for independence. Like, I need my space. Like,
So you would suit a tourist.
maybe.
Who did they like put you with?
They put me with.
Cap.
Thank you. I didn't take a picture of it, but
Bloody hell.
I didn't take a picture of it. Can't remember. But yeah, I need my space. If you don't give me my space and I need my space, then it's a bit long. Oh.
I need my space. He keeps holding my hand. What's he doing? I'm joking. Hello, Samuel.
I don't like holding hands.
This is down and up. What type of person am I? I just like my space, but at the same time I don't. Like, I want you to be. Okay. This is April 29th. I'm a tourist.
It's always.
Yeah.
Did I send you that thing?
No.
Alright, let me read it.
Basically, I'm the type of person like I want my space, but I want you to be here. Does that make sense?
Torians are known for their dependability, patience, and perseverance.
Patience, that's not me.
And these are qualities that often lead to success in achieving their goals. They're quite driven determination, inspires others to trust them, and they are faithful to their friends and loved ones. Taurians are stubborn and not fond of change, and they won't be rushed into making any hasty decisions. Their strongest desires for personal security and comfortable home life. All about Venus, the planet of beauty and harmony. They have often artistic skills or beautiful singing voice. You don't have that, so I don't know what.
That's me. That is me.
Then, their relationships are usually long-lasting and built on solid foundations. Bulls don't give their heart away easily. Taurians can be slow to come to decisions, but once they make up their minds, they'll doggedly pursue their goal.
That's me.
You're trash. Jake, I love you.
That's me.
Jake.
That is me.
That's basically.
That's basically me. I can sing. No, but I'm not patient. I'm not patient. I'm not patient.
Guys, I'm Aquarius.
Taurus. Look at all these people.
Taurus.
Yeah, that way. Can you hurry up? Guys, we're lost. I can't find nothing. Can't find nothing. That's where we go.
I don't know. I'm not sure, to be honest. No, the mix of.
That one. Wow. This thing. So we arrest the guy, and it turns out the guy is HIV positive.
Wow! God damn! What's going on?
Near toes.
3, 4. Come on, spit. Lovely. 6, 7, 8, 9. Be your man. Keep going, Sam. Bring it. Put it in. Finish that, Joel. Finish. Oh.
Okay, get a team photo.